Hey guys, I'm back with another My Goodness organic meal review. Today I'm reviewing the sticky lime beef from their frozen range. So they offer both fresh and frozen options. So we're going to try this one today. If you've seen my other videos, you will know that My Goodness Organics is a premium meal delivery service. They're really focused on creating meals using quality ingredients. So they use 100% animal products that are certified organic in their meals. They use certified organic or pesticide-free vegetables and dry goods. They also offer their meals as dairy-free, wheat-free, gluten-free, refined sugar-free, but hopefully not taste-free. So their serving sizes are also pretty generous. This is a 400 gram serve. I'll show you what it looks like inside. So this has been thawed. So I defrosted this overnight before heating. So you have to do that. It can go in the microwave for 2 minutes or in the oven for 20 minutes with the lid on. All their meals are built on the ratio of 30% protein, 20% carbs, and 50% fat. So in this chili beef, it is about 580 calories. So it is quite high in calories, but it is quite a decent portion size. And one thing it does have is a good serving of protein. So this is 43 grams of protein in here, which is really, really great. It does have a higher carb content at 31 grams, and the fat is about 26 grams. It does have some fiber in here, and they have deemed it paleo, but just bear in mind that there is wild rice in here. Now, if you're a paleo, strict paleo, wild rice is really on the no-no list. But what I do like about them using wild rice over, say, a standard white rice, a basmati or a jasmine rice, is that it has a good content of protein. So that's increasing that protein in the overall meal. The other thing it does have is fiber. It's a resistant starch. So this is not only going to be great for your digestive system and feeding your microbes, but also for that blood sugar balance, which is really important to keep that sustained energy. Wild rice has typically got a good quality of antioxidants and magnesium. Some of that will be lost in the fact that it's already pre-cooked, it's then frozen, and then we're going to reheat it again. So keep that in mind. This meal has a lot of really great veggies in there. There's pumpkin, there's red capsicum, we've got spring onions, there's nuts and seeds. So lots of good, lovely, fiber-rich veggies in here. The other thing it does have is bone broth. Now, bone broth is really nourishing for the gut and is a really great alternative, just your average stock. So definitely they are going on quality here. This is reflected in the price. So the price is $23.59 for this serve. Keep in mind it is 400 grams, so it's a really decent portion. But we'll give it a taste and see what we think. I'm going to heat this in the microwave because who has 20 minutes to wait while it's in the oven, especially when you're ordering convenient meals. So I'll zap it in the microwave and we'll see how it tastes. Okay, so the sticky lime beef had 2 minutes in the microwave. And if you could be in my kitchen right now, it smells really delicious. It smells like slow cooked beef, and you've got some nice little aromatics in there, like the tamari and some garlic and onion. From the outset, looking at the meal, there's some really good chunks of veggies, some broccoli there, red capsicum. The meat is super tender, and the wild rice looks pretty delicious as well. So it smells pretty amazing. It is a decent serve. So I'm sure though, judging by the smell, I will get through this. So we'll see how it tastes and I'll let you know. Okay guys, this meal is delicious. I wouldn't normally order something like this. I would tend to go for a chicken or a vegetarian or a fish dish. But this beef is really, really tasty. Everything tastes really fresh. You've got some nice texture in there. The smells has really made my appetite. So I'm going to leave you now so I can finish this dish. Stay tuned for some other My Goodness Organic meal reviews. And I'll also be doing a video that will just give a review of the brand itself, the delivery process and their service. So keep an eye out if you're thinking of using My Goodness Organics as your meal provider.